Fravashi International Academy has just stepped into the 20th year and is evolving with each day passing by. I'm here at FIA for the inauguration of this beautiful play area with lovely play equipments and a cute little reading corner for our kids. This just shows that Fravashi group of schools will leave no stone unturned and give the best to their children.
Fravashi International Academy is the best. I like the colorful slides in my school. I like green slides and black swings. Playing on a new slide is so much fun. So much fun! Red, yellow, green, my favorite slide is a rainbow.
Right now, I can just feel that I should go and play with this play equipment. It is wonderful, and Fravashi International Academy always comes up with new and innovative ideas for children, and children just loved it.